Leaking AC refrigerant may make hissing sounds from your air conditioner's indoor or outdoor units. It's also odorless and hard to smell since it quickly disappears when released into the air. During the cooling cycle, refrigerant deals with an increase or decrease in pressure. If there's a leak, the refrigerant can make a hissing sound when it's going through depressurization. A common misconception about refrigerant leaks is that they leave a visible puddle of refrigerant fluid near the air conditioner. Refrigerant goes through different states of matter and it is gaseous when it leaks, making it tricky for you to notice it. If you notice ice forming on some of the parts of your air conditioner, it could indicate a refrigerant leak. This leak will decrease the pressure within the lines transporting refrigerant and the evaporator coil, causing it to freeze and create ice. As the ice melts, it can leak water onto your air conditioner system and your home. The melted water can potentially cause further damage to your AC and/or your home. Water damage to your home or air conditioner can become expensive to repair or replace.